Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer. Happy Born Day. I'll also be using Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10 Happy Nails. Here is Happy Born Day by Bases Loaded Lacquer. It is a beautiful blue with gold shimmer in it that goes for days and days and days. This was part of the birthday duo. Cap my free edge here. Sorry, the camera's bugging out. Ugh. Might have to figure out a new way of doing that. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. Gotta make sure it's on there good. Here we go with our second coat of Happy Born Day. Oh, goodness. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do a third coat. You may or may not need a third coat. Depends on how you paint your nails. There we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down. Then we're going to do our nail art part of this. Very pretty though. And there's a swatch photo on its own. This is Cheeky Happy Nails Jumbo Plate 10, huge plate. I've got out Maniology's Coconut to stamp with, and my Maniology scraper. I am using my Monocle stamper for Maniology also. And I've picked a couple of images off this plate I'm going to play with today. And as you see, this manicure morphs. Because I think this is all I'm going to do. I do clean off my stamper on a lint roller. And here we go. We're going to pick up this image too. Got a whole bunch of excess because it's one of those corner images. Kind of tricky to get a good scrape on that. So these are the two images I'm going to use. They're side by side on the plate. Makes it easy. I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone. And then I'm going to do the same image that I did on my pointer nail on my middle nail and my pinky. And then I'll do the image that I did on my thumb. I'll do that one on my ring fingernail. So there we go, cleaning that stamper, and then plump, plump, plump. Ta-da! We're just jamming along here. There we go. But as it turns out, I just wasn't like totally in love with it. So that's why we're going to do something else here in just a moment. It won't take me long to figure it out that I'm just not going to be happy with that. I mean, it's okay. I'm cleaning up and I'm looking at it. And this is when I make my final decision that, I'm not really digging it. So I'm going to finish this cleanup here. And I know it kind of sounds stupid, but, you know, I really am eyeballing it while I'm doing this. And I just decided I wasn't going to live with that. Nope. So I found another image on that same plate, and I'm going to stamp over all of it with black. And this image, and it's kind of like a square section off. There you go, you can see it a little better. And it's got little circles in the middle of the squares. And then, funny enough, I loved the manicure. It just needed more. It needed more, and that's okay, because I caught it in time. Because if not, this manicure might would have come off the very next day. But this way, I'll actually be able to wear it for a little while and enjoy it. Here we go. Another one. There we have it. And then I'm going to go in with my piece of tape and clean it up again. Now, the thing about this is you can't really see any of the images all that well. But you can see the contrast with the different colors. And that's what I liked about it. So I'm going to clean up here with my cleanup brush again. Get all up under the nooks and crannies and all those crinkles. There it is. And I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And see how pretty? I mean, it's funny how, you know, just that one little extra step just made it doable. I'm going to finish this one off with the Moonshine Mini Let's Go Top Coat. And this one will be done, finished, completed, and making me happy. So there we have it. So I really did end up enjoying this one in the end. And here is my swatch photo. I'd love to hear from you what you think about this one. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.